AirPods Pro 4 combine active noise cancellation, advanced microphones, and network connectivity for live translation. Abrupt endings often occur due to conflicts between these systems. ANC can interfere with the translation mics, especially with wind noise. Mic calibration issues can cause the system to drop translation if audio is unclear. Unstable network connections like Wi-Fi drops can also trigger timeouts and interrupt translation. It's a complex interaction between hardware and software, all working in real time, which can create latency issues. First, ensure your AirPods are properly paired via Bluetooth settings. Grant microphone access in your iOS privacy settings. Use a stable network connection, with 5G or Wi-Fi 6 preferred. Try adjusting ANC settings, such as switching to transparency mode to reduce mic interference. Restarting your iPhone and AirPods can also reset connections. Make sure your AirPods and iOS software are up to date. As a last resort, reset your AirPods in settings. Proactive maintenance like monthly resets can prevent many problems. If wireless fails, use a wired alternative.